ECN Trade Technical Webinar. Good morning, my name is Rob Clayton. Kicking off with the Australian dollar, the market went back to re-challenge that top side around 76.30 and was clearly rejected, as you can see from the 4-hour chart frame. In light of how the pattern's holding, I expect to see further weakness into today, with the initial support seen minor at 75.50 and then lower down towards 75.20 and reassess from there. The reason behind that is that we could actually be seeing a potential fall towards 74 cents as an objective. Towards the upside, as mentioned, resistance comes in around 76.30 to 76.60, and it's most likely now the bears have moved their camp from 77 region down towards that 76 to 76, 30, 60 area. In line with the technicals, holding to a negative stance should support this move, eventually reaching 75.20 and reassess from there. With the dollar index rebounding very firmly overnight, saw euro drop away from that 112 and now looking towards that 111.10 support, which is seen minor, which could see further weakness and look to challenge the support holding around 110.50, 70. From there we could see a recovery like before and stage a mild rebound up towards 112 again. Resistance on the day now comes in at 111.65. Dollar yen rebounds very firmly from the support of 102.80 overnight and now looks towards re-challenging that level around 104.30. However, the dailies are not fully supportive of this move, and we could see a rejection again from 104 and look back towards that 102.80 level. A break under 102.60 would expose further weakness and give an objective to 101.15.30, but see how 102.60.80 plays out. In light of how the pattern holds, we should not discount a break above 104.30 to fuel the move up towards 106 if that break occurs. So do keep that in mind. The weakness in sterling continues and now looks towards the support of 123.05.35 with 122.10.35 seen below, which was Friday's low back here. Underneath this level of 122.10 exposes further weakness towards that 118 region. Resistance on the day comes in around 124.10 to 124.70. Gold takes a breather overnight, however, still poses a threat towards the downside, but I'm not overly bearish. The fact is now the market's getting quite close to a bottom, which could come in around the support of 1,228. And if we get a break from that level of 1240, would expose that downside target, and then maybe rebounding back towards 1265 to 68 as a resistance, or even up towards 1276 and reassess from there. Oil returns very aggressively towards the upside after rebounding from 49.40.60 support, as you can see here highlighted. Now, in light of the break of the upside, we are overbought. I do expect to see momentum from this bullish view to back away from this $51.90 to $52 a barrel region. As you can see back here, it was 3 days and then collapses. Well, this is 1 day. I expect to see a rejection soon and look back towards that 49.40.60 and reassess from there. Well, that concludes my intraday webinar. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you enjoy the day ahead.